Hi, third grade, and welcome back to your green grammar books. Today we're going to go over the Wednesday section of week 16. Here we go. Number 1, circle the correct adverb. Identify if the adverb is comparative or superlative. My class worked blank than Jean's class. We talked about comparatives and superlatives last week. You should be able to see that key word than means we are comparing two things. So therefore, we will need to circle the comparative harder. My class worked harder than Jean's class. And then please mark the C there for comparative. Number 2, place commas in the correct places. Abraham Lincoln was born in Hodgenville, Kentucky on February 12th, 1809. Okay, so this one's a little bit different than what we've been doing. It's not necessarily a quotation. It's not dialogue. Nobody's speaking, so we do not need quotation marks at all. But we have part of an address and we have a date. Okay, so I will tell you, we need to put 3 commas in this sentence in order to punctuate it correctly. And the first one you should know always goes between the city and the state. So if you remember that, where should we put our first comma? Right between Hodgenville and Kentucky. Now, Abraham Lincoln was born in Hodgenville, Kentucky. We need actually another comma there, okay? After Kentucky, on February 12th, 1809. Always when you're writing a date, you want to put a comma between the day of the month and the year. See how there's so many numbers together? We need to put a comma there to separate so that readers know, okay, 12 means the 12th day of February, and 1809, that's the year. All right, just makes it a little more easier to read and understand. Number 3, use a coordinating conjunction to combine the two sentences. Alan likes chess. It is a challenging and fun game. Well, I look at this as Alan likes chess because it is a challenging and fun game. But when I look up at the top, there are no conjunctions because. I will tell you, though, that there is a conjunction that could substitute for because. Does anyone know? It's actually for. Alan likes chess, for it is a challenging and fun game. We don't typically speak like that, but it does mean the same thing as because. So in order to write this correctly, we're going to write Alan likes chess, comma, for it is a challenging and fun game, period. Number 4, we have a title of a book, How to Eat Fried Worms. And there is one word in this title that does not need to start with a capital letter. Do you know which word it is? It's the second word of the title, to. So it should look like this. How to eat fried worms. Eat, fried, and worms all need to start with a capital letter. And so does how, but to we can leave alone. Last one, number 5. Rewrite the phrase using the possessive form. The paper that belongs to Ross. Okay, well, we know that if it belongs to Ross, it's Ross's paper. But how do we write that? Look at that. Since Ross's name ends with 2 S's, you need to put an apostrophe S again after that to show Ross's paper. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you one more day this week to go over the Thursday section.